DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.
Yeah, man, the one Silk Bass Aminous, the one that was requested by Knight9961. Hey, y'all need to make y'all names more easy to say, man. Oh, yeah, man, let's get it. Silk Bass Aminous, let's get it, guys.
Ice cream record. Yeah, man.
I'm still on ice cream record. Yo, Silk Bass is still the ice cream records, bro. Get to your dog. And then on top to the girl earth your permanently, you know, yo.
One split a day keep the devil away.
Yeah.
You know me, I'm blue, you know.
Yeah.
Some of them 2% people left in life and I'm just take it up to God, I see it.
Facts, man. So one piece a day keep the devil away. Arm to you. You know.
One go somewhere far youth, one somebody for talk to. Looking at the mirror, I me and myself argue. Locking at dark room, things in my thoughts youth. Vex till my face look bent up like a show. People not real like the leather pan.
As a vex till my face bend up like cash, oh my youth. You see me and say, easy, no? Yo, dog.
Vex till my face look bent up like a show. People not real like the leather on the clock's boot. We living in a like and nobody non talk truth. Them murder my brother where I come from grassroots. No one darkness for days and no half moon.
Whoa, them murder Silk Bass brother dog. Eh? Are you talk? When that moment you hear about none of that in Diary, big up yourself, me G. Go on, bless up. Really, you best of yourself, me G. Go on. Yeah, man, Silk Bass, brother dead, dog. I'm hearing about that. Yeah, man. Diary, big up yourself, dog. We just there talk about, you know, Byron Messiah. I was planning to go live and talk about him, Byron Messiah and TJ Clash, but since we talked about it already, I was like, you know what? I do some live reactions today, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man.
Smooth, we living in a like and nobody non talk truth. Them murder my brother where I come from grassroots. No one darkness for days and no half moon.
I mean, man, murder my brother. You see me, man, say I darkness for days and a half moon, bro. You see me come murder my brother, dog. I'm to you.
So nobody say me ask if me hype, come and doing fine. And if you see me in the street and violate pussy, me and do it time for ya. Me and do it time for ya. Me and do it time.
Jaja. Yeah, man, dog.
Yeah. Me know say them go fight, but me never expect life is sweet like one boat ride. This world I fucked up like one criminal with no rights. Don't know where love is, it gone with one tour guide. Can't just know.
But Clement say, no know where love is, dog. He gone with one tour guide. Yo, easy. Silk.
Go fight, but me never expect life is sweet like one boat ride. This world I fucked up like one criminal with no rights. Don't know where love is, it gone with one tour guide. Can't trust no one but myself and my 4-5. Me smoke weed and drink and my pain won't leave all my
Yeah, I'm going in a dog. Hey, y'all be forgetting that Silk Bass is a talented piece of youth, you know. Yeah, man, young rich dog didn't get caught up in a controversy with it, you know what I'm saying? A tough artist,
like one criminal with no rights. Don't know where love is, it gone with one tour guide. Can't trust no one but myself and my 4-5. Me smoke weed and drink and my pain won't leave all my faith will never move that mountain. If I don't try, just me and myself, they don't know why.
So easy now, man. Yeah, man. Yo, the one, yeah, man. Vibes. Silk. Them start play with you.
Me and myself, they don't know why. So nobody say me ask if me hype, come and doing fine. And if you see me in the street and violate pussy, me I do it time for you. Me I do it time.
Yeah, man, if you see me in the street and violate that, me I do it time for you, dog. Don't get it twisted.
And violate pussy, me I do it time for you. Me I do it time for you. Me I do it time for you. Darkness in on my nigga. Love fight war and press trigger. Heart right off for the bimmer.
Come on, Silk. They don't hear you, man. Silk, they don't hear you, bro. Come on, talk to them.
Me and do it time for ya. Darkness in on my nigga. Love fight war and press trigger. Heart right off for the bimmer. Can't catch me a known dance rather lock in a villa with the ghost like Michael in a thriller.
Yo, the brother, That boy, brother, are sick. Silk? Tell him stop playing with you, bro. Stop playing with you, gang. Come on.
Catch me a known dance, rather lock in a villa with the ghost like Michael in a thriller. Oh, me feel them a scare. Nah, no love for nobody but me daughter. Pussy I got dead if them hurt for me Zara. Mara fi jump like a man pan the Jordan. So no.
Easy now, man. Stop playing with Silk, boss. When it come to blood cleat, pain music, feelings music, heart music, shit that matters, Silk Boss is one of the best of them, man. The man that come like Chronic Claw. You see me as it?
Dead if them hurt for me Zara. Mara
Skinny
fi
Chronic
jump
Claw,
like
listen.
a man pan the Jordan. So nobody say me ask if me alright, come and doing fine. And if I see me in the street and violate pussy, me and do it time for ya. Me and do it time for ya.
Straight, man. I can't violate man and their family, man. You mad? Come here.
Me and do it time for ya. Me and do it time.
Man.
Walk us over for you. What's ready for talk to? Looking at the mirror, me and myself argue. Locking on dark room, things when I'm a tight suit. Vexed in my face, look bent up like our shoes.
Vexed in my face, been up like our shoes. That easy to say.
People know we like the letter when the clock's food. We living in a like us, nobody non talk truth. I'm right on darkness.
Even I like nobody not talk truth, bro. Easy no man, easy no man. The brother are talented, you know, man. Yeah, man. You know, don't forget it, man.
And if
Don't
you
get
say
it
you
twisted.
just
Silk.
come violate pussy, man, do it time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up Silk Boss, KD Visual. Yeah, man. Put in the work, man. What? That bad gang. That bad. What do you think about that one day? Let me know in that comment section, man. Yeah, man. That's a vibe. That's a total damn. That's a total and complete vibe. Big up yourself, Silk Boss.